A lot of the more compelling chef narratives of the last 20 years make no sense at the time, right? David Chang comes up working in high-end French kitchens like Danielle, right? I was around New York when he opened the first Momofuku noodle bar. Everybody was like, what? It was exciting. It got word of mouth really fast, but it was like, this guy who used to work for Danielle opened like a counter noodle bar, and he's doing pork buns, and like, what? He's one of the most successful chefs in the world. That did not compute at the time, you know? And I think those are the stories that are really capturing people's imagination now. You could draw a dotted line directly from what he did to Sonny Lee. You know, banchan are traditionally side dishes, for lack of a better phrase, in Korean cuisine. Sonny does this thing. She calls it banchan by Sonny, and she kind of makes the banchan the center of attention, right? And that's her own thing that's evolved over time. Now, I think you draw a line from somebody like Sonny to what David did, you know? But all these are people just kind of following their own star, and I'm sure in none of these cases did they start off with these highfalutin French kitchen jobs thinking, this is where I'm going to end up.